Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you about most of the world's rivers have gold deposit and contain the molten golden particles. There are still many rivers in the world under the geological process where gold particle and large lump have been found. The gold rush began in the 19th century and is now over. But there is still some river places in the world where ordinary people can find gold. There are many such rivers in the United States and some other areas. Ordinary people can try their luck for the golden treasure for a small fee. Earlier, the largest gold bar in California was discovered by an ordinary man. Many of the world's rivers are still famous for the gold. The list includes many American rivers. Number 1. Red Gold Mine that are situated in Charlotte, USA. The story of Red Gold Mine in the United States is also very interesting. In 1799, an American adventurer, Conrad Rain, was passing by when he saw a piece of gold. When it was lifted, its weight 17 pounds or 7.5 kg. People still come to the Red Gold Mine and try their luck. And some of those lucky ones get gold particles. And the number 2 river name is Crow Creek that is situated in Alaska, USA. There is a half-mile area in the cold province of Alaska where ordinary people go and try their luck. In this regard, the soil is sifted through a fine sieve and the small or large particle of gold are found. Goldfish are more likely to be found in an underwater area. And the rank 3rd is River of America, which is situated in California, USA. The search of gold in American River began in 1848. Traces of it were first found at Coloma on the bank of river. At 2 locations on the American River, ordinary people are generally allowed to sift the soil and search for gold, although there is no record of amount of gold found here. A large number of people are still trying to their luck. At number 4th position, Roy Beach, Nevada, USA is famous. This area is located near the Mojave Hills. Special shaped gold particle can be found there. Beautifully shaped gold particles are bought hand in hand by the collectors. It should be noted that gold particles are found in the soft soil. People try their luck here with sewage and metal detectors. This place is allowed to carry gold from government lands. At 5th position, Klondike River that is situated in Yukon, Canada. One such place is Bonanza Creek, formerly known as Rabbit Creek. Gold was first found here in 1896. Since this area is very large and suitable, a large number of people come here to try their luck. Gold can only be mined here from the area of that in under federal control. If a place is under the influence of local people and tribes, permission must first be sought from them. The locals are called First National people here. The 6th position river name is Rio Otago that is situated in New Zealand. Finding gold is the good hobby in the New Zealand. There are many gold reserves in this country. The city of Otago in the South Island of New Zealand is famous for the International Otago University. The Ario River here are famous for their precious yellow particles. A small town, Ario Town, is the best place for finding gold, and interestingly, the government encourage people to try their luck. A large number of locals come here in search of gold. The river that name at 7th number is Livo River that is situated in Italy. Golden particles are found in Livo River in Piedmont, Italy. People of public land can find gold particle here. If you have found 5 grams of gold, you can keep it without telling anyone. The government will have to be informed about the gold received in excess. The 8th position river is situated in Pakistan, which name is Gilgit-Baltistan. Gold particles are found in the Gilgit River in Pakistan.